This is Kevin, and I'm a strategist at Cubicle Fugitive. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the expertise module within the Sitefinity CMS. Specifically, I'm going to be creating a new expertise, but instead of using the create function, I'm going to duplicate one of these pre-existing expertise as a starting point. So to access expertise, we'll go into the back end of I'll just go back to the expertise list page. But we'll go into the Sitefinity CMS, and from the dashboard to access expertise, we'll go to content, and then under expertise and team management, we'll click on expertise or services. And this will bring up a list of all pre-existing expertise within our Sitefinity CMS. And now we would select which one to use as a starting point. So let's say it's just top level expertise 1. I could then click on the checkbox at the front of the row, and that'll make the actions menu appear here. And you'll see the option to duplicate is about halfway down. You can also access the action menu by clicking on the 3 dots way over on the right of the row. Brings up the same list of options, and I'll click on duplicate. So it looks like I am now editing top level expertise 1. But if we look in the top left-hand corner here, it says I am creating an expertise. So we just have all the info here from top level expertise 1 filled in. So we can now easily see what I should fill in for my new expertise. I don't have to guess or try to remember what I had done previously. It's all right here. So that's the handy part about duplicating. So the first thing I would now want to do is change the name of this expertise. So I'm going to call it top level duplicate expertise. And I'll just get rid of the 1 there. And now I'm just going to keep scrolling down and editing things as we go. So I would obviously have some changes to make in the main content. I'd want to plug in my new expertise overview here. You'll see I didn't have a summary before, so I could skip it again because Sitefinity, if I don't fill this in, we'll just use the first couple hundred characters of the main content. I could click featured item now if I wanted to possibly force this to a front of a list or to display on a section of my website where I've set it up to display featured items, but I know I generally don't for expertise. Next is the related content section. And to remove these pre-existing interlinks, I could hover over them and click the X to remove. And then I could plug in my new interlinks by clicking the plus sign and then selecting the appropriate content to relate it to. And I can do the same for expertise and even sectors. I could add a relationship here as well. Then you see the related media. So to remove the primary image, that's already here. I can hover over it and then click on the X. And then I would click the plus sign and find my new banner image. Inside page banners, the library I already have of banner images. So I'll use this one this time. And I can remove this related document. I could add another one by hitting the plus sign, but I'll skip that for this. And there you see I haven't done SEO optimizing for previous. I'm going to skip it again here. Then you see the top level. This is a new top level, but I'm going to change the sort order to 1,000 just because I do. The higher the number, the lower it'll display in the list. So this will make it like the last in the sort order. And then you see there's some child services, which I'll remove from this new duplicated. And I'll change this here to top level duplicated expertise, the URL. So once I've gone through and modified everything to reflect my new expertise, I could save as draft and preview, but I'm just going to hit publish to make this new expertise live. And I'll just go back to the front end of my website. And I'm going to refresh this expertise list page. And there you see the top level duplicate expertise is right there. And automatically it also appears in my menu. So that is how we would duplicate an expertise to create a new one the Sitefinity CMS.